Hey friends, if the Microsoft Store is not working on Windows 11, then please watch this video for the resolutions. Now, the situation with Microsoft Store is different from that with any other app like OBS Studio, WinZip, VLC, etc. Because these apps are downloaded from Microsoft Store itself, and if the Microsoft Store is not launching, then how will you access these apps? I mean, you cannot reset and repair the Microsoft Store. You cannot reinstall the Microsoft Store. It's a part of Windows 11 itself, or any version of Windows for that matter. So the first solution is to check the date and time. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side. Select date and time in the right pane. Make sure that set time zone automatically is checked. Make sure that set time automatically is checked, and make sure that this third one is also checked, though it's not required. Then click on sync now. Now, one thing you must have noticed is that earlier we didn't have this option to set time zone automatically. We had to select it manually, and it was usually selected by default, but now it is selected automatically. The next solution is to reset the Microsoft Store cache. It's easy. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type WS reset and hit enter, and it will reset the Microsoft Store, and most probably it will open after the reset, thus solving the problem. But if it does not, then the next solution will be an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator in the right pane to open the elevated command prompt window. Now type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a system restore. Now here's what a system restore does. If your system was working well earlier and a recent change caused the problem, then a system restore will restore the situation to the previous date. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open the recovery window. Select open system restore. Now select the recommended restore point or a different restore point, whichever you like. Click on next, select it, next, and once you click on finish, the system restore process will initiate. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.